We're so glad you found the Platinum Business Academy. We're also so glad you're watching this video. Are you ready to take your career to new heights? Hey, look no further. Enroll in our academy where success is not just a goal, it's a journey. And here's the problem. Jobs and promotions are harder to come by as you age. Even if you're as young as 30 or 35, you're probably starting to see that. Hiring managers' top concerns were perceived reluctance among older workers to try new technologies, and that's 38%, and inability to learn new skills, 27%, and difficulty in working with other generations, 21%. And again, that is for anyone really who's 35 plus. You're in desperate need of training, support, and coaching that your company's not providing or that you don't have access to. You've lost your edge, and your skill set is behind the times in business skills such as sales techniques, closing skills, social media, selling, LinkedIn, right? That's a tough one for some people. Technical skills, the internet, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many more. But guess what? There is a solution. The Platinum Business Academy, and it is hosted by Platinum Training Technologies. And hi, by the way, my name is Dan, and I am the founder and creator of Platinum Training Technologies. We are the premier provider of online learning and development and coaching, and part of that is the Platinum Business Academy, where we've put together over 3,000 courses and hundreds of learning tracks just for you. So why should you choose the Platinum Business Academy over other options? Well, some people say, hey, I'm just going to go to YouTube and watch videos. Well, you know what? You're probably not going to do that, because if you were, you would have already done that, right? You need something that's going to hold you accountable. So first of all, our expert content. Our library has over 3,000 courses, all available 24/7 on our online learning portal. All courses are based on micro-learning, meaning that the courses are short form, like 5 to 10 minutes, and allow you to learn the topic quickly without fatigue. Then the courses are repeated to help transfer the new information into short-term and long-term memory. We have a comprehensive curriculum. Our cutting-edge curriculum covers everything from customer service to marketing to sales training to management training to compliance to leadership and many, many more. And all of this ensures that you have a well-rounded business acumen. All of our courses are refreshed periodically, and we're always adding new content to the platform. Hands-on learning. You're going to put theory into practice with weekly workshops and group discussion topics from our staff of experienced business executives. Now, these will be done in a Zoom format, and you will receive an invite and a link weekly once you enroll. So, networking opportunities. Connect with a diverse community of like-minded professionals, mentors, and potential collaborators, expanding your network and unlocking new business opportunities. Now, we're based in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, so we're planning on hosting some networking opportunities for in-person, and we're also going to have virtual networking opportunities for everyone else. Flexible learning options. Once you enroll, you immediately have 24/7 access to a library of over 3,000 of the most comprehensive courses that cover all the skills that you must have to get ahead of the game and remain competitive. So here are some of the learning tracks that are tailored for your success. For example, advanced selling skills. In this learning track, we cover the following: selling to the C-suite. Those are the big guys, right? Sales forecasting for the salesperson, managing enterprise or large accounts, value-added selling, customer lifetime value, the no-push selling, pre-call planning, the 5-minute debrief, finding unmet needs, and on and on and on. We also have an executive leadership masterclass. Leadership training is extremely important in business today. While the people in the companies may have the educational background, oftentimes they don't have the leadership skills needed to help grow a company and support and encourage their staff. The best leadership courses help train your business leaders for the challenges that they may be faced in the industry you're in. This course also has weekly or bi-weekly online coaching sessions by a certified leadership coach to make sure that all this information you're getting is resonating. The Business Communications Masterclass. Become a master communicator with this learning track. It includes topics such as active listening, how to be a great conversationalist, verbal communication, nonverbal communication, barriers to communication, and on and on and on. Plus, we have many, many more learning tracks. We literally have hundreds of learning tracks that you could obtain certifications on. You know what? That's good for your knowledge, and that's also good for your resume. And as I was mentioning, you get completion certificates for every learning track you complete successfully. You will receive a certificate of completion. As long as you remain enrolled in the program, you'll have access to past courses for a refresher to make sure that your knowledge is up to date. So enroll today and transform tomorrow. You can visit our website, which you're probably already on, and if you click the link below, it'll take you to our checkout screen where you can enroll today and get started. And again, we're so excited that you're taking this next step in improving yourself, because really that's the only challenge that's left. And we want to be here with you the whole way. Check out our social media sites. We're on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, and we post a lot of free and valuable content on there for you to use and absorb every day. So once again, thanks for watching this video. We're so glad you're here.